everybody. Today I've got a basic intermediate level Saiidi combination for you. This could be done just to the Saiidi drum rhythm, or it could be done as part of a Raks Assaya number. I'm going to show you some adjustments that you could add a cane to it. We're also going to do a basic and then add a little bit of ornamentation and variation on it as well. So we are just going to start with the left hip. Everything is going to be on the left side, and then we'll change and reverse it to the right. And set that up so you can see. So starting here, and we're going to have just a little weight transfer back. So step in that heel, and then step back, and we're using that little bit of drop into the heel to give us a little bit of movement through the body. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This foot's going to step directly out to the side. 3, where are we? 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a side step, like the little wheat side, if you know what I mean. It sounds like I say side, like the side of your body, but I'm saying scythe, just to be perfectly clear. So we're going to step, and then you're going to sweep, and it's really important that you have the leg turned out here, so that we're here and not here. Okay? So step, sweep, step, sweep. Then this foot's going to go forward. The basic is just 1, 2, and then back again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can add a little bit of variation into that later, but for now, just stay basic with that. Then we're going to take the left foot again, and we're going to do a big step, swoop the hips behind for 2, and then back 3, 4. We want a little level change with that. 3, 4. And then the right hip is going to lead us around with a twist. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we want that right hip ready, and we're going to reverse the whole combination. So I'll just show it to you again in this speed. So arms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot steps out now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the left foot is going to go around you. Or I'm sorry, we're not there yet. Right foot's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then left it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I'm going to show you all of the variations first. So that's your basic. That's what I want you to start with. And I'm going to show you everything and break it down, and then I'm going to show you with the music. That way I'm going back and forth a little bit less cuts to the video. So if you want to add a little bit more to that, if you're experienced with Raks Assaya or Saiidi and you want to add a little bit more flavor to it, you want to add a little more complexity to it, there's a few things you can do. Number one, also, you can change the feet. Just pick one. I like to tell dancers you can point your toes or you can flex your toes, right? For folkloric, especially for Raks Assaya, flex toes is more traditional. But if you're going to do it, you got to do it with some intention, and it needs to be very obvious it is intentional. So do either flex or do point. If you're doing like a short section in like an oriental piece or Raksharki piece, you're wearing a more showy costume, probably lean more towards pointing the toe. If you're wearing a folkloric costume and you're dancing folkloric music, probably aim for the flexed foot, but ultimately it's your choice. Okay? Just a little disclaimer there. So we could add some flex to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with this, the basic is just with the weight change, but you can lean into it a little bit. And you really want to feel that, especially on that back part, okay? So that's a little variation there. And then we're going into the side step. 1, 2. You can add a little bit more hop to this, and you can also lean with it more. So you can lean your body away from the foot, so you're creating more of this long line, and it adds a little bit of flavor to it. So rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little bit trickier on balance, so just add it in when you're ready. All right, so there's a little bit more variety there. And then we're going to take that same foot, and then with this one, here's where we can change it up a little bit. So you can do twist with the shoulder in there, with the chest. 1. Now make sure that's not jab with your collarbone. It's your whole twist, your whole your whole chest twisting. So you're getting a sheer twist right there. So 1, 2, and then on back 3, you can lean with it some. So from the front, that'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I like to do is maybe do a basic one. 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Just to add a little bit of variation in there. Losing my shirt tuck there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to step the left foot again. So here's where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And for that, I would just say, if you're more advanced, just put a little bit more hip into that. Boom. And then same for the twist. It's just self-explanatory. But there are a couple of little things we can do in there. So that's the variation number 2, or the version 2. Now I'm going to grab my cane and I'm going to show you some variations that we could put in there if you actually are doing this combination in a Raks Assaya piece, okay? So when we're, in this position, you could just have your cane up, that'd be fine. I would probably do this. I just feel like that fits there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would come up 5, 6, 7, 8, go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have, make sure that you step on that foot again. So each part, you're going to start with the same foot. Okay, so we're on left again. For this one, I would do scoop, and 3, 4, and then bring it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll show you on the other side. So we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what foot was I on? The right foot, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, or you could be down here. So that would be the other suggestion, would be with that twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just twisting here, and the hip is going opposite. So think of the hip meeting to the cane. So I'll show you this with music in 2 parts. The first one would be just the basic variation. Second one with a little bit more complexity. And then I'll stop it again and I'll add the cane and we'll try it that way. 7, 8. Now a little more variation. Alright, now let's do it with the cane. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you have it, just a short, quick little video today. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, let me know, and happy dancing.